Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add image watermark to multiple photos online. Open your favorite browser. Go to iloveimage.com. Click on watermark image icon. Click on select JPEG images, or you can drag and drop the photos here. Select the photos on your computer and click open. In the right sidebar, you can find two options: Add image and Add text. Click on Add image button. Select the image file on your computer and click open. Click on the watermark image and drag it to your preferred position. You can also resize the watermark image if you want. Click on the watermark image again and then click the opacity icon at the top. Adjust the opacity as per your requirement. As you can see, watermark has been added to all the uploaded photos. Click on Watermark Images button. Wait for few seconds. That's it, your images have been stamped. Click on Download Watermarked Images button. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the folder and select Show in Folder. Extract the zip file. As you can see, watermark has been added to all the photos. This is how you can add image watermark to multiple photos online. Thank you for watching.